Hi, just want to show you the new updated Meme Samurai. Now if I use any images in this video that you don't recognise, in the members area there are new downloads with images and things in there. As before, you just open it from the folder. Very similar in a lot of ways. However, one of the things we've done is we've changed it so that now when you look in a folder you can actually see the images that are in there. Obviously if you've got a lot of images it's going to take a little bit longer for it to show up. This is the pretty standard meme that you would see. If you want to add some words, very similar to before, but you will see there's a skew by angle option here. What I want to do is I want to put it upside down. And then you can add a second one. And you could put a third one if you wanted to. Just drag them to where you want them to be. I suppose you could even put a fourth one up here if you really wanted to. And then in this big white space, what I want to do is I want to add a second image. And this is a new button in the software down here. Again, you just select an image, just navigate to wherever you keep your images. Let's use the cow picnic. Now as you can see, it's too small. So just click on it again and you can zoom. It will take a little while, it took a second or two for the image to show up there. It's because it's using a lot of processing power. Is that big enough? Nope. So you can make it, there you go, we'll call that good. So you could save this now as usual. You could put an URL on the bottom, or you could put the URL in here. Just drag it down. So the choices are yours. You can have a play with it. If you want to add an arrow, that still works as normal. You can still add the speech bubble. The other thing we've done is if you put in the text here and you change it, so I want it to be bold and I want it to be 24 point. When you click to edit and you decide you want it a bit bigger, it has remembered the font name, the style and the size. Just makes it a little bit quicker than keep going through to pick the font and stuff. Okay, I hope you like the new version. You know, obviously if you've been using the old version, there isn't really that much new to teach you. But you can now add a second image. We've added in these motivational poster outlines that seem to be very popular. So you can put your kittens in there or your dogs or whatever you want. And you can get a picture that maybe isn't the exact fit and you can zoom in or zoom out to get it to be a much better fit for you. If you want to clear anything, it's just Shift and click to move the arrows. Okay. If you want to get rid of the text, you delete the text. If you want to get rid of this image, clear everything off it first, and then just shift click, and then we can add a different image in. So if you look at it and think, no, that image isn't quite right, just go through, delete it, and pick a second image. And there you go. Now you can start again. You can put your text in, you can put your arrows in. Looks like something you see on a paternity test on that, was it Maury Povich used to keep doing the paternity tests? Anyway, so there you go. There's the new Meme Samurai. Download it, have a play, enjoy.